Good morning, Professor and my friend. This is Group 2 presentation slide. 1.0 Introduction. 1.1 Explain the term hybrid manufacturing. Editing and subtracting manufacturing combined in a single machine system. For manufacturing and spot milling, traditional subtracting manufacturing is applied, whereas editing manufacturing is used to fabricate component part of structure in another part. As a result of the editing capability to add material to existing sections, this is allowed to both build out and replace part that has been damaged. 1.2 Choose a product. The product that we choose is BMCG MORI LaserTech 65 3D Hybrid 3D Printer. The technique applied is direct energy deposition 3D printing. This product has exceptional performance in machining complex sheet, aeroplane and medical parts, as well as repairing of coding parts for corrosive wear protection. Besides, a fully autonomous shutter handles the laser head. This product also will improve process dependability and deteriorate traceability with AN accident. Moreover, this will complete PLN integration, reduce time to market, and cost over $990,000. 1.3 Explain and illustrate how hybrid manufacturing begin and out until end. Hybrid manufacturing involves combining internet of production of product begin and out until end. Hybrid machine manufacturer offer different manufacturing methods. AN may combine different methods in the same part without compromising this integrity. Hybrid manufacturing involves production quantity begin and out until end. As favor error consult from scrapping of transferring components, hybrid machining on a single machine can help in improving quantity, productivity, and process reliability. With this adaptability, industry sanity printing can currently manufacture more to medium quantity. Hybrid manufacturing effect cost begin and out until end. Hybrid manufacturing reduces the risk and cost of adopting metal and technology, providing an evolutionary pace for industry manufacturers. Lower AN acquisition costs and can reduce inventory and carry costs. It will eliminate the need to hold surplus inventory stock and minimize the production time.
Hi everyone, my name is CELINE and my number metric is B0620100201. I'm going to present about the application of hybrid manufacturing in BMCG MORI. Why companies should also focus on hybrid manufacturing? The benefit of hybrid manufacturing is that the part production process is streamlined. Previously, 3D printing and machine need different machinery. This will need a number of different programs, settings, operators, and so on. Depending on the parts, this can rapidly become a difficult and time-consuming operation. All of these printing or finishing activities are carried out on a single machine in hybrid production. This drastically decreases the time and cost of part setup. Hybrid manufacturing approach considerably boosts production efficiency while also providing additional design and technical flexibility. It dramatically lowers the time between concepts and production, allowing business to bring innovative goods to market more quickly. What are the actions should be taken? The action that should be taken is use the hybrid, make the best use of it, get the job done, use the hybrid system to make new products, and make more products that use the hybrid system. BMCG MORI has been effectively operating on the market since 2013, with the combination of laser deposition welding and metal cutting machining on LaserTech DD hybrid series equipment. The LaserTech 65 DD, on the other hand, is designed only for laser deposition welding. How companies adopt to this new method of manufacturing? Hybrid machining, like any new technology, has its own set of obstacles, learning curves, and questions. The first obstacle is the expense of equipment investment and deployment. Not all machine shops can invest immediately, and one must examine the advantages and drawbacks of a purchase before planning for substantial expenditure. Once the machine is operational, you must determine the ideal add and subtract material as well as how the heating and cooling cycle impact component performance during the process. Finally, find out how to keep the machine surface right shape and size when fresh material is introduced, which can significantly hit the item and induce deformation. Thank you.
Hybrid manufacturing will give some impact on the company, such as possibility and efficiency. It offers almost unlimited possibility for more efficient productions of complex parts. Next is concern about the faster manufacturing cycles. The new hybrid will run laser depositions with 2-watt diode laser, resulting in 10 times faster than the powder bed method. Moreover, it enhanced the business performance. Hybrid manufacturing that incorporate energy depositions and molding processes on one machine demonstrate outstanding performance in various applications. This hybrid technology could foster sustainability into manufacturing system based on its potentials that will facilitate the transformations of some existing business models. There are some impacts on society as well, such as the freedom of design to create more possibility, inspire innovations, and a better society. Next, it positively impacted the job creations and economic growth by catering to the demand for the 3D hybrid printing. Besides, the life expectancy and quality has risen. The medical cost is reduced due to the possible customizations of healthcare equipment and products. Hybrid manufacturing is altering the established business model and markets. How easily can consumers access them has resulting impacts on society. Hybrid manufacturing gives an impact on education based on the integration strategy into educational systems. There are some contemporary issues predicted will arise, such as industry-wide lack of expertise. Second, high initial investment and maintenance costs. Third, lack of digital infrastructure required for the technical setup. Fourth, material availability, rising inflations of high transportations and raw material costs, and supply shortage are influenced by the ongoing pandemic. Fifth, it is difficult to balance the speed and quality of new product development. Some of the industry have positioned themselves enthusiastically among those championing the strategic advantages of hybrid manufacturing. These industries are highly regulated with rigid and precise standards for quality and safety assurance, such as aerospace, automotive, healthcare, and defense. Embracing the new technology will help the manufacturing organizations across the industry to participate or adapt to the market transformations. As companies across the multiple industries open themselves to hybrid manufacturing, they become more collaborative, agile, and streamlined in their manufacturing processes.
Good morning, Professor Maya, Dr. Muhammad Jukrifi, and my friends. My name is BQ Yan, and my matrix number is B0620100061. There are many materials of DMG Mori Acetate 65, the 3D, such as bronze, cobalt, chrome, alloys, copper alloy, high-speed steel, and so on. The printer creates the parts layer by layer by using DOD 3D printing technology. This 3D printing technology is similar to welding, includes metal powder filtering, which aid in the completion of the process without the use of processing chamber and produce 10 times quicker than utilizing a powder bed. There are some ways you can reduce the resulting time cost. First, try orienting the parts. Often, changing the parts orientation can drastically change the overall print time. Second, consider the design of the print surface. In order to manage which cantilever structures need support, figure out the orientation in which the part should be printed before designing it. Third, split the part. Sometimes the part is too complicated to remove the support structure modification. In this case, there is still an option. By splitting the parts into 2 or more parts, you can reduce the support structure more easily. The video that records on appendix shows that when the Lasertec 65 3D DMG Mori is processing, there are a hybrid CAD or CAM to function the additive process and subtractive process. Laser nozzle, laser beam, shading, and metallic powder perform a high accuracy and precision when it's functioning. Besides, the new AM analyzer also can control the additive process by adjusting the parameters processes and the power of laser. Post-processing is an often overlooked part of the 3D printing process. As the additive manufacturing market shifts from prototyping to final parts production for the consumer market, the look and feel of 3D printed product becomes increasingly important. There are also 5 steps in post-processing, although not all steps are required for all objects. First is cleaning, by removing support material, powder removal, and washing. Second is fixing like filling or gluing and welding. Third is curing or hardening by baking the model after printing it, enhance the mechanical properties of the material. Fourth is finishing the surface through sanding and vaporing or chemical smoothing. Lastly is coloring the model by coating and painting. In conclusion, the product that we choose is DMG Mori Lasertec 65 3D hybrid 3D printer. The hybrid manufacturing seeks to attain increased design freedom, flexibility, and complexity. They also produce complicated parts of part with radical geometry that cannot be manufactured. Company can adapt to this new method by weighing the pros and cons of a purchase and also the best sequence to add and subtract materials. Besides, one of the reasons that companies focus on hybrid manufacturing includes reducing the time or cost associated with part setup. In addition, there are 5 impacts of hybrid manufacturing on society. And lastly, there are also 3 steps when processing, such as using hybrid CAD or CAM, laser deposition, and milling. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you.
There are several references that we refer to complete this presentation slide.
3 activities they will use during this assignment. Thank you.